Let's talk about jewelry, those glittering symbols of love, commitment, and sometimes sheer extravagance. Maybe you've seen a nice diamond, a 1-carat rock that costs more than your first car, a truly impressive gem sparkling under the jeweler's lights. Impressive, right? A testament to the Earth's geological artistry, compressed carbon transformed into a dazzling display. Now, imagine a diamond so big it makes Earth look like a marble, a tiny speck in comparison, a diamond 5 times the size of our planet. Think about that for a moment. This isn't sci-fi, this is real. NASA found one. They pointed their telescopes to the heavens and discovered something truly extraordinary. It's out there, floating in the dark, a cosmic show-off, a beacon of pure crystallized carbon. This isn't your typical engagement ring, unless you're proposing to a gas giant, or perhaps an entire solar system. The scale is mind-boggling. It stretches the limits of our imagination. Every diamond ever mined on Earth wouldn't even be a dust speck on this thing, a mere scattering of atoms compared to this cosmic behemoth. The universe, it seems, has a flair for the dramatic, a penchant for the extreme. The object's official name, BPM 37093, a rather unromantic designation, wouldn't you agree? But astronomers call it Lucy after the Beatles song. A much more fitting tribute to its sparkling nature. Lucy is a dead star, a white dwarf, that spent billions of years crystallizing into a diamond. A slow, cosmic transformation on an unimaginable scale. It's a glittering tombstone, a beautiful reminder of a star's final act. Floating in the constellation Centaurus about 50 light-years away, a relatively short distance in the grand scheme of the cosmos. That's practically next door, cosmically speaking, a neighbor in our vast stellar neighborhood. While we worry about mortgages, the universe is busy forging planet-sized diamonds, a stark contrast in priorities, wouldn't you say? It's humbling. It puts our everyday concerns into perspective. Our concerns seem tiny when there's a celestial body out there worth 10 billion trillion carats, a truly priceless gem. Lucy isn't just a discovery, it's a cosmic punchline, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. It proves the universe is weirder and more extravagant than we can imagine. It constantly exceeds our expectations. The most unbelievable things are probably already out there, just waiting for us to spot them. Hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The universe is weird, and that's the best thing about it. It's a source of endless fascination and wonder. So next time you look at a diamond, remember, there's one out there that could swallow Earth whole, a cosmic diamond of unimaginable proportions. And it's not for sale. Not that anyone could afford it anyway. The cosmos always has the last laugh, a cosmic joke played out on the grandest scale. Let's get real. Lucy isn't a gemstone you can wear sparkling on a ring or adorning a necklace. It's something far more profound and awe-inspiring. It's a star. A celestial body of immense proportions and unimaginable energy, or more accurately, what's left of one. A relic of a once brilliant star now in its twilight years. It's a white dwarf, a stellar remnant that defies earthly comparison. The dense, hot core left behind when a star like our sun runs out of fuel. It represents the future that awaits our own solar system. A teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as a truck. Imagine the sheer density, the compressed matter packed into such a small space. Lucy is special because it's made mostly of carbon, the very element that forms the basis of life as we know it, and oxygen. These two elements, forged in the heart of a dying star, combine to create something truly unique. Over billions of years, it cooled, slowly releasing its remaining energy into the vastness of space, and the immense pressure inside forced the carbon atoms to crystallize, locking them into a rigid diamond-like structure. That's the same process that makes diamonds on Earth, deep within the Earth's mantle, under intense heat and pressure, just on a cosmic scale. A scale that dwarfs our planet and stretches the limits of our imagination. So Lucy is a giant crystallized star, a testament to the power and beauty of the universe. A diamond in the rough, if the rough is the vacuum of space. A solitary gem floating amidst the stars. It's not a perfectly cut gem, but chemically, it's the real deal. A pure, unadulterated form of crystallized carbon. A massive chunk of crystallized carbon. A cosmic diamond of unparalleled size and density. Its diameter is about 4,000 kilometers, a distance that spans continents on our own planet. Smaller than Earth, but with a mass comparable to our sun. A mind-boggling concentration of matter in a relatively small volume. The 5 times bigger claim refers to its carat value, not its size. It's a measure of its immense weight and density. Lucy is so dense and extreme, our analogies start to break down. It challenges our understanding of matter and the forces that govern the universe. Its discovery confirmed a long-standing theory, a prediction that had been debated and refined for decades. White dwarfs crystallize as they cool, a fundamental process in the life cycle of stars. Lucy was the proof astronomers needed, a tangible example of a theoretical concept brought to life through observation. The same physics that create tiny diamonds under our feet, the same fundamental laws of nature, also create celestial jewels, a connection between the mundane and the magnificent. Even in death, a star can become something extraordinary, a transformation from a fiery giant to a crystalline wonder. It's cosmic symmetry, beauty born from stellar demise, a reminder that even in destruction, there is creation. Lucy is a reminder that the universe's rules work on every scale. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the same principles apply. And sometimes those rules create wonders beyond our wildest dreams. Objects that inspire awe and wonder in all who gaze upon them. That's the magic of astronomy. Unveiling the secrets of the cosmos, one discovery at a time. You can't just point a telescope and see a sparkle, even with the most powerful instruments. Spotting a diamond in the sky requires a far more nuanced approach. Finding Lucy, the diamond star, took cosmic detective work, a blend of ingenuity and cutting-edge science. Astronomers didn't see the diamond with their eyes, they heard it in a way, or rather they detected its vibrations, subtle oscillations rippling through space. This field is called astroseismology, listening to the heartbeat of stars, deciphering their inner workings through rhythmic patterns. Lucy's heartbeat? Starquakes, pulsations in its light, tiny shifts in brightness that reveal a wealth of information. These starquakes travel through the white dwarf like seismic waves through the Earth, revealing its internal structure layer by layer. The pulsations from Lucy moved at a speed that told astronomers its core was solid, not fluid, a crucial piece of the puzzle. The instruments needed are incredibly sensitive, pushing the boundaries of what's technologically possible, detecting tiny variations in light from a faint, distant object. Astronomers used a global network of telescopes, strategically positioned around the globe, passing the baton as Earth rotated, ensuring continuous observation. It's a 24/7 stakeout, a relentless pursuit of data, listening for faint whispers from a dead star. We can't go there or drill into it. The distances are simply too vast, but we can deduce its secrets from light years away. It's like figuring out a cake recipe just by listening to the oven, a testament to human ingenuity. Lucy's discovery was no accident. It was decades of theory and technology coming together, a culmination of years of dedicated research. It's a triumph of indirect observation. Sometimes you just have to listen very, very carefully. Diamonds in space aren't rare. The universe is full of carbon, the fourth most abundant element. All you need is heat and pressure, and space has plenty of both. On Neptune and Uranus, scientists think it literally rains diamonds. Deep inside, methane breaks apart, carbon atoms squeeze together, and diamonds fall like hail. Even meteorites that land on Earth contain microscopic nanodiamonds, tiny messengers from ancient stars. So while Lucy is the king, the universe is filled with smaller diamond relatives. Carbon is versatile, it builds life, and under pressure it becomes the universe's favorite gemstone. The cosmos is a master jeweler, working on a scale we can barely imagine. Let's fantasize. What if you could visit Lucy? First, you'd need a spaceship that could handle gravity 350,000 times Earth's. Forget walking. You'd be flattened instantly. Let's pretend you have anti-gravity boots. The surface? Not a smooth gem, but a jagged crystalline landscape. Imagine mountains of pure crystal, milky diamond plains and glowing crevasses, the sky black with unfamiliar stars. No atmosphere, no weather, just silence and the faint groans of the crystal lattice. Exploration would be nearly impossible. Diamond is the hardest material, and this is diamond on a cosmic scale. Mining? You'd need sci-fi tech just to scratch the surface. The real value isn't in bringing a piece home. It's in the mind-bending experience of standing on a dead star made of diamond. It would redefine what we think a world can be. Terrifying, beautiful, and gloriously pointless. The ultimate adventure. Planting a flag? You'd need a nuclear-powered jackhammer. Taking a souvenir? Forget it. The memory would be the real treasure. When Lucy was discovered, astronomers were ecstatic. To outsiders, it's just a big dead rock. But for scientists, it's a new chapter in the universe's story. It's not about the diamond's value, it's about knowledge. For decades, crystallized white dwarfs were just a theory. Lucy turned that theory into fact. It validated our models of how stars die and what happens next. Each confirmed prediction, like Lucy, makes our picture of the universe clearer. These discoveries ignite public imagination. A planet-sized diamond grabs attention and inspires curiosity. It's a gateway to science, sparking questions and inspiring future astronomers. Ultimately, scientists are explorers. Lucy is a new landmark on the frontier of knowledge. It's a reminder that the universe is stranger than we can imagine. The thrill is in the unknown, the joy of solving cosmic puzzles. It's not just about a diamond. It's about our drive to explore and understand, and to be awed by the grandeur of it all. So, we've found a giant diamond in space. What now? Mining it is pure fantasy. The real value is informational. Lucy is a natural lab for studying physics under extreme conditions. White dwarfs like Lucy are cosmic clocks, cooling at predictable rates. By studying them, we refine our understanding of the universe's age. Each crystallized white dwarf is another tick on the cosmic timeline. Discoveries like Lucy expand our ideas about what kinds of planets exist. Maybe there are carbon worlds out there, planets made mostly of diamond and graphite. Studying these extremes could lead to breakthroughs in material science here on Earth. Sometimes, the lessons from a dead star shape the future of our own world. Let's address the obvious. What's Lucy worth? The number is so huge it's meaningless. 10 billion trillion carats. If you owned it, you'd be richer than everyone on Earth combined. But monetary value falls apart at this scale. Lucy's real worth is scientific and philosophical. Trying to own it is absurd, like an ant claiming the Pacific Ocean. Even if you could bring some back, the diamond market would collapse. This highlights the difference between earthly value and cosmic significance. Diamonds are rare here, but in the universe, carbon is common. What's truly rare is a planet like Earth, teeming with life. Lucy is a spectacular, glittering, dead thing. Earth is alive. The discovery of a diamond world makes our own planet even more special. The real treasure is knowing such wonders exist. The universe forces us to reconsider what we value and to appreciate our own home. In the end, Lucy is more than a cool space fact. It's why we explore for wonder, for surprises that expand our reality. We thought stars were just hot gas. Now we know they can become cosmic diamonds. The universe is a dynamic, profoundly weird place. Every discovery adds a new layer to our understanding. For every answer, a dozen new questions appear. That's the beauty. The mystery is the point. Lucy is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. We're a curious species on a small rock, but we can reach across light years and uncover the impossible. We're part of this strange universe, privileged to study it. So next time you look up, remember Lucy. The sky is a treasure chest of glorious weirdness. And we've only just begun to open the lid.